Hi, I'm Stevie D. Welcome back to the channel. I am totally car mad and I am totally car bemused at the moment. What is going on in the Porsche market? I have been looking through AutoTrader since I installed this AT price tracker plugin to my browser that shows you the price history of every car. If there's been a price change at any point since a car was listed on AutoTrader, it shows you the original price and any changes and the date that the change was and how much it was. It shows you the total change and the percentage overall from the original list price. Now have a look at these two convertible air-cooled Porsches. On the left here we have a 911 993 Carrera Cabriolet manual, started off 49,990, just under the £50,000 mark. It is now available at 42,993. Like what they've done there with the number 993, cheeky. It has dropped nearly 7 grand, 14%. Next to it, you've got a car that started off at the same price, 49,985, virtually pound for pound the same price, almost the same date, 6th of March, 4th of March. However, this has gone up by 20%, £10,000. They listed it in March, it still hasn't sold, and by July they have added 10 grand to the price. Somebody explain this to me. One has gone down 7 grand, one has gone up 10 grand. Neither cars are sold. Make sense of that.